Thank you all for watching our video. The Salt Lake City Crusaders were so happy to be shooting with FPV Unlocked this weekend. We're able to bring over 30 people together to shoot this amazing video that was able to showcase a lot of what the Salt Lake City Crusaders bring to the table. We're Utah's premier medieval competitive fighting team. If you need nights for anything from a corporate event to a festival to a nonprofit charity event, even birthdays, we're here to bring you real steel, real weapons, and real athletes with real competitive medieval night fighting.
Yeah, so it was great working with these guys. If you guys are interested in learning how to fly FPV drones and get shots like we did here, there'll be a link down in the description and right here for our online course that teaches you everything you need to know to get started in FPV drones. So these guys would want to, but their gauntlets don't really allow them to do much. So we'll figure out something. If you guys would like to contact either of our companies, links are down in the description for contacting the Crusaders or FPV Unlocked. And thanks for watching.